Would you rather invest your time to watch this video and learn how you can earn over $650 for free, or keep wasting your time on Instagram feeds while you go broke? The choice is yours. Imagine receiving commission notifications even while you're traveling, while you sleep, or spending time with family and your loved ones. The best part of this strategy is you don't have to always stick with your computer or your mobile phone. This unique strategy is 100% free and available worldwide. In fact, if you apply the right strategy, which I'm about to show you, this could be pretty automated and it will be one of the quickest and easiest passive income streams you can ever think of. I'll even give you an underground secret method to make 5 times or even 10 times more money if you stay tuned till the end, so make sure you don't miss out on anything. This is Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach people how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications. First of all, I want you to go to Google, and in the search bar I want you to type Unbounce. After searching for Unbounce, you will visit the official website, which is unbounce.com, the landing page builder and platform. Go ahead and click on this link, and from there it's going to take you to the official website of Unbounce. We are going to use this website in today's tutorial to make money online. Now let me show you something really interesting. You can be earning as much as $320 right here, or $800, or even up to $1,600, and it's just a rough estimate of how much money you can earn. If you keep watching, I'll show you how you can generate 20 times your earnings in an automated way very easily and quickly. Unbounce is a software that allows people to create different landing pages and different websites. So let me show you exactly what Unbounce is all about, without wasting much time. Unbounce enables customers to design beautiful landing pages and create unique websites. Let me show you some examples of the websites that Unbounce can create. You can see different categories of websites, and right here, they even show you a lot of different examples. You can open these examples later. However, you don't have to worry because we're not going to create any website or videos. We also don't need any technical skills or previous experience. I just want to show you how powerful Unbounce software is and how to use it to create beautiful websites just like this one right here. Now that I have shown you what Unbounce does, I want to show you how we can generate income using their partner program. The next thing to do is you'll scroll down to the very bottom of this website once you go over to the homepage of unbounce.com, and then under the company section, I want you to click on Partner Program. This partner program will enable you to earn 20% recurring revenue for every referral. They pay you every single month consistently in recurring commission, and that's why it's a great website. This means once you set up the system in the first place, you can keep on making recurring commissions every single month. So real quick, let me show you the total of 4 different pricing packages of Unbounce. And once again, this is a 100% free method. You don't have to purchase anything, and in fact, the strategy in today's video is that we're going to be referring and promoting Unbounce to people. So right over here, you can see that $300 is the highest earning package every single month. Now let me show you your earning potential on this particular website. This is $300 every single month, and when you multiply that by 12 months, it gives you $3,600. From there, we can generate 20% of the commission, which means from one single customer, we can earn $720 from just one single click. For one customer, you can easily get $720 without doing much effort. All we have to do is use a very simple, free and automated method to promote and refer Unbounce to other people, and we can generate a lot of income. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If you want to sign up for a free account for the Unbounce Partner Program, all you have to do is click on the Sign Up Now button, and as you can see here, a chat bar will pop right at the bottom, and from there you have to go through a few questions to completely sign up for a free account. So right here we can see you're ready to become an Unbounce partner. You're going to be taken over to this page where you have to simply put in your email address right here and then set up a password for your account. Lastly, click on the Sign Me In. That's going to take you to the dashboard of your brand new account. Once you've successfully created your account, the first thing that you have to do is to agree to the terms of service to get your unique referral link. Now what you're going to do next is to click on this button to agree to that, and boom, congratulations! That's how you can create a free account on the Unbounce Partner Program. Now basically on the summary page, you can see how many clicks you're going to get and how many referrals they're getting and how much money you have already earned. Obviously, this is a brand new account, so you will have 0 earnings as of now, but soon you'll start earning a lot of commissions using the exact strategy. So right now, click on the button right here and click on the Dismiss button, and that's where we can see your unique referral link. And all you get to do is click on this Copy button to copy your link. So moving on to the next step, I want you to go on to Quora, and from there you can sign up for a free Quora account using Google or using Facebook. Once you've successfully created an account on Quora, we can begin to post something or answer some questions on Quora. Now basically Quora works as something like a forum where a lot of people come through to post different images and videos. They're asking questions and answering questions as well. And this is where you can get a lot of free traffic and super targeted traffic. So from there, what I want you to do is go to the search bar right here, and I want you to type in a keyword, which is how do you create a landing page? And that's going to bring you to this page where you can find different questions that people are asking on how they can create landing pages, and some people are giving an answer. This is going to be your best opportunity to refer and get free traffic to the Unbounce website by using your referral link, and you're able to earn 20% of the recurring revenue and commission, and depending on what packages they eventually purchase, the more expensive packages that they choose, the more money you will earn, just like that. I showed you the maximum earnings up to $720 in commission. This is an extremely powerful strategy to get started as a complete beginner. Now all you have to do is just click on the answer button right here, and that's going to open up this box where you can simply type in your answers and include your referral link. Then click on the submit button, and that's it. This is a very effective strategy, and if you want to keep on making more money, you can just search different keywords. For example, you can even search on how to create a website, because Unbounce allows its users to create a website as well. And the sky is the limit. You can just keep on searching on different keywords and answering different questions on Quora by simply leaving your referral link to get a lot of free traffic. And that's it. Do you want to learn how you can make money simply by watching ads? Click here!